Alright, today we're going to learn how to make an easy origami packing box. We're going to learn how to make an easy origami packing box. This super easy origami box is perfect for packing small gifts for special occasions. This origami box is fun and easy to make. Great for a first origami box for kids. You can use this pretty origami box to cover some small plants and pots too. This box is not very sturdy, however. It's great use as a quick way to wrap a gift, but not to hold heavy items. If you want to have a sturdy and easy to make origami box, check out my other video about the Origami Masu box. It even has a lid and everything. I'll put a card in the top corner, that corner or that corner. I don't know, one of those two corners. I'm not sure which one it shows up to. I'm still new to making videos up for YouTube. So, we're going to start off with a square sheet of paper like this. But if you don't have a square sheet of paper like that, I'm going to show you how to make one real quick. If you're a child, you need an adult, a grown-up adult, a parent, somebody older that can use scissors, because you're going to need scissors to cut yourself a square piece of paper from a regular sheet of paper. So we're going to take and we're going to fold it up like that. So it's nice and even to a nice point, perfectly even. You're going to take and you're going to cut off all this excess. When you do that, you're going to have a square sheet of paper. Just like that. So now, let's start. I'm going to take and fold it in half. Just like that. The more straight your folds are, the better your end product will turn out. The more straight, more even all your folds are and the paper was cut, the better it'll turn out in the end. So we're going to unfold that last one. Now we're going to fold it the other way, in half. So I'm going to fold it. Yeah, that's good. Good enough. And take and unfold it. Now you want to flip it over so you got the creases upwards. You're going to rotate it to a diamond. You're going to take it and fold the right side over to the left side. Remember, the more even you get your folds, the better your stuff will turn out in the end. And take and unfold that now. You're going to fold it the other way. If only I can get it even. There we go. There. Now we're going to unfold that previous step. Now we're going to flip the paper over again. So we're going to bring the left and right corners inwards and up, collapsing them under the bottom section. So you're going to do it like this, and then you're going to just flatten it. See, now you got a diamond shape. You want the opening upwards. Okay. Take the top point down to the bottom corner and make a small crease. I'm going to unfold that. Now we're going to fold the left and right points to meet the middle. There we go. Now we got the left and right side up to the middle. Now we're going to flip it over and we're going to repeat that. So fold the top down and just make a small crease in the center. Now we got a cross mark. So you take this to the center and fold it. Same to the center and fold it. Now we're going to take the bottom and we're going to fold this up and line it up and fold it. And now we're going to unfold that last one. Just the top layer. I'm going to fold this down, just the top layer. Just like that. Now we're going to flip the model over and we're going to repeat that last step. So just the center, down. So left and right, we're going to fold it open. So now it's like this. Now we're going to fold the top points down on each side. Flip it over and do the same. The top point down on both sides. So now you got both sides, the top points are down. Just line it up with the center line. Make it nice and even, so it looks more pretty. See, nice and even. And now we're going to open up the box and we're going to flatten out the bottom. And we're going to finish off the box by straightening out the corners. And you can use a sticker or tape to secure the sides. Because when you open it up, you're going to have these sides that are not. So you can flip it back over. What I suggest is take a small piece of tape or sticker, put the tape or sticker there, and do the same on the other side. Put the tape or sticker there. Then when you go to open it, it opens a lot easier and sturdier. It doesn't break out. Then you can straighten out the edges. And then you got your completed box. You can do this with colored paper, or you can draw on it and do it yourself, or whatever you like. But there's your box, all completed. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.